Hi, my reverse mortgage friend. The reason why you're looking at this video is because you are interested or wanted to find out some information about reverse mortgages. First of all, let me tell you something about me. My name is Jose Vega. I am a broker licensed in real estate and in mortgage licensing. I've been in the business for 30 years and very familiar with the reverse mortgage process. The information I'm going to give you today is basic information of what you need to know about reverse mortgages and also what you need to know that you make sure that somebody that is licensed is handling this information for you. You could always come visit me at my office. Yeah, my information is in the open. You could ask for my license number, etc., etc. Basically, we want to make sure you want to make sure that you are dealing with somebody that is licensed and somebody that knows the subject. Reverse mortgages, why are they out there and why might you need one? Well, if you are a senior that is retired and receiving a limited amount of income on your Social Security retirement, there's no other income you have. So the government allows for you to use your age, your decent credit, and the equity in your house to be able to pull some money out and use it for whatever you want. You do not give away the house, it's still your house. The only difference is that you're not obligated to make a payment on the mortgage if you wanted to, or if you don't want to, you have that option to do so. The government only gives you a certain amount of money. We have to calculate that with the information we get from you. So it's very simple. It's a quick calculation. We give it to you within a day. We need your age and where you live and so forth. Now, a lot of people say, what happens after the reverse mortgage? Well, you basically could refinance it or have your heirs pay it off, which by selling the property or by refinancing the property. In other words, there's still options. And let me tell you one thing, and remember this. There's going to be a lot of equity left over in your property, okay? There is a lot of equity. So they're not taking more than 40% right now of what the equity is. Let me give you a quick example. If your property is worth 100,000, they're only going to give you more or less $400,000. Okay, don't take me on that quote. It's just basically an idea. Okay, obviously we have to qualify you. We got to give you disclosures, blah blah blah. But it's just an idea of 40% of what equity you have left over. So if you owe 700 and the property is worth 100,000, you're not going to get anything. Okay, so they're looking for something that much of a range. Are you obligated to make payments? No, you're not obligated. You could if you want to or not. And basically, how long is it for? It's for the rest of your life. There's no gap on the limit of time. So it's the longer you live, that could happen. What do you need to do? What do you need to pay? What obligations do you have? Well, the program states that you have to be living in the property. You have to maintain your property, believe it or not, and pay your taxes on the property. Maintain is basically keep up the yard. They don't want somebody where you get a reverse mortgage and then you let the property go to waste. You know, they don't want that. That's your obligations. So basically, make your payments on your taxes and maintain the property. Pay insurance on the property, your house insurance, which you already pay for anyways. So those are basically the requirements. Obviously, there's more questions. You do have to take an online class, and there is an appraisal done on the property. Okay, I don't want to say fairly easy, done deal. No, we have to go through the process and disclosures and let you know. But the bottom line is you have to be 62 years old, live in the property, and have equity in the property to be able to get a reverse mortgage. The process is fairly easy. Those are the only initial things, unless there's something that comes up that we need to clarify. But that the reason of a reverse mortgage, like I said, is because you are retired, receiving a limited amount of income, and you want to do something. You want to tap into the equity in your property. The only way, if you don't qualify with income, is by obtaining a reverse mortgage. Okay. My information is here. You can call me anytime you wish or come down to the office. I'm in Cerritos. My information, you can find me. And we could talk about it. It's a delicate, conversation basically, because you are pulling out what's left over in your equity, and you're leaving the rest of the equity to whoever you wish to leave it to. And that's about it. I mean, anything else that comes up, please give me a call. Any questions, give me a call. I'll be happy to help you. And it's for seniors 62 and over. And yes, husband and wife. What if she's younger? Well, we'll make paperwork up where she stays with the reverse mortgage when she reaches her 62-year-old limit. And that's about it. I don't want to confuse you, but hopefully, thanks for looking at the video. Hopefully, you learned something. They're out there. They are government programs. They are very, what's the word? Scrutinized, where they look at everything that we're doing for you. So please let us know what we can do for you. Give me a call. Thank you so much.